Hi everyone, we are group 3 from H3T4. I am Jolin.
I am Natasha.
I'm Afif.
Today, we would like to present about math group assignment questions 4.
The question states that there are two types of thumb drive, which is 8 GB and 60 GB. Each of the thumb drive will have three colors, which is black, white, and green. To answer this question simply, we have to construct a table consisting of the type of the thumb drive and the color. By this, we can know the total number of thumb drive and the number of each thumb drive based on its color. Three thumb drives are to be selected at random. For the first round, two 16 GB thumb drives are selected, so 12C2 times 80C1, which is 12 is the total number of 60 GB, and we want to select 2, and from 18 total number of 8 GB thumb drive, we will select 1. Divide by 30C3, which is the total number of thumb drive, we want to select 3. Thus, we will get 297 over 1015. The second question asks for one black thumb drive and two 16 GB thumb drive. In this question, we have two cases. For the first case, is one black thumb drive with 8 GB, white or green thumb drive with 60 GB, and white or green thumb drive with 60 GB. In the second case, we have to select one black thumb drive from 60 GB, white or green thumb drive from 60 GB, and white or green thumb drive with 8 GB. Thus, 7C1 times 7C2 plus with 5C1 times 7C1 times 11C1. We will get 532. Next, we have to divide by the total, which is 30C3. So the answer for this question is 19 over 145.
For question number 2, the question asks for probability of one black thumb drive given rise to two 16 GB thumb drive. So we just use the formula, conditional probability formula, which is probability of one black thumb drive intersect with two 16 GB thumb drives divided by probability of two 16 GB thumb drives, and we just substitute the value and we get the answer of 133 over 287. For number question 4, the question asks for at least two 8 GB thumb drives are selected. So we calculate the probability of combination two 8 GB thumb drives times with one black thumb drive plus with combination of three 8 GB thumb drives times with 0 black thumb drive, and we get the answer is 663 over 1050.
So let's move on to Roman 5. The questions ask for the probability that one black thumb drive and at least two 8 GB thumb drive are selected. So for case 1, 5C1 times 11C2, and for case 2, 7C1 times 11C2, and for case 3, 7C1 times 11C1 times 7C1. So the sum up is 1199. So to get the probability, we use 1199 over number of sample, which is 4060. So let's move on to the questions for B. The questions ask for the probability there are exactly 4 students standing between city and Nehru. So for case 1, 1 times 6B4 times 1 times 2B2 times 2 factorial equal 1440. So for case 2, 2B2 times 1 times 6B4 times 1 times 2 factorial gets 1440. And for case 3, 2B2 times 1 times 6B4 times 1 times 2 factorial to get 1440. So the total number is 4320. And the number of samples is 8 factorial, which is 40320. So the probability for exactly 4 students standing between city and Nehru is 4320 over 40320 and get 3 over 28.